There are shouters and murmurers, loan sharks and burglars. Who's good or bad, who's to say? Some are lost, some are searchers, some are givers, some are earners. But why did they all end up that way? Is it nature at play or is it nurture? Is the teacher to blame or is the learner? I'm all at sea, I'm no authority on anything but me. I couldn't tell you why I am who I've become, but I can tell you the parts that make me up, and you can calculate the sum. I'll impart to you what I believe would be the recipe for me. Water. First things first, you need a great deal of water to make me. 60 liters is roughly what you need. It accounts for 65% of my being. And cells. My body's composed of trillions and trillions of cells, performing an assortment of missions, and it's important to mention that they house my DNA, which makes me myself. There's an ebb and a flow, I grow, then I see changes. There are rewrites, losses, gains and rearrangements. It's all much more uncertain than I thought it would be. Who knew there'd be so many ways to be me? Stories, audience or presenter, add scores of stories over time. A slew of silly videos I shared online, and journals full of narratives I wrote at age 9. And still, I continue to write because I have more dreams to fulfill. Tales I hope to tell when I was younger, ideas that I haven't made yet, but I will. I'll find my way with my will. There's an ebb and a flow, I grow, then I make changes. There are rewrites, losses, gains and rearrangements. I'm so much more uncertain than I thought I would be. There'd be so many ways to be me. Eggs, you may laugh and that's great. Your smiles are what make my day. My self-worth's fragile like an egg. When it breaks, it's tough to put together again. And salt, a pinch of salt in my wounds when my friends have had enough of me. It doesn't help that I'm lacking subtlety. When I drop instead, I crave their company. Alone, it's hard to console myself when I feel so alone. I feel like I disappear if I don't shout I'm here, if I don't make my presence known. See me here and feel my face unclear. Can I help them to see me better? I know I can't foresee the weather, so will they accept me now or ever? Who knows? I hope so, but I'm good enough. Whenever I face, I can rest assured that better days await. The path to happiness isn't a race. I'll let my heart beat at its own pace. Sunshine, happy and bright, it nurtures the earth with its light. Its beaming smile helps buds to flower. I'll take a dash of that for when friends feel sour. And rainbows, a light shines through, and every hue is on display. Save a pinch of that for a rainy day, and use it when the storm clouds go away. There's a night and a flow, I grow, so I make changes. There are rewrites, losses, gains and rearrangements. I'm so much more uncertain than I thought I would be, but I can see there's no wrong way to be me. Now I see there's no wrong way to be me. And I know this recipe to paper is unwise. All of the ingredients are changing all the time. I know putting this recipe to paper is unwise. All of the ingredients are changing all the time. Changing all the time, they're changing all the time. Changing all the time, I'm changing.